It's official. I bought a van. Like, I bought a van. I bought a van. I bought a fucking van! I'm not awake yet. I did not sleep good last night, but I have to leave in a few minutes to go to meet at the bank so I can sign the paperwork and the van will be mine. I need to wake up because I am so like out of it right now, and yeah. Oh my god, I'm rushing as always, but I have to leave to meet Austin at the bank to sign the paperwork for the van. So then it is officially, once I do that, it's officially mine. And I think at some point later today I'll have to go pick it up. But yeah, I'm like still waking up because I didn't sleep good last night and I overslept, but yeah, here we go.
You sign here, this and this. This is just
Alright, so I just came out to my car because I wanted to get my drink that I have because I'm thirsty and it has caffeine and I'm not awake yet, but I just want to give you guys an update. We signed all the paperwork already, so they're just waiting on a couple other things, and then they have to print out some copies of stuff for me, and then I think I'm all set, but I have to go to the DMV and tell them about the car and get a temporary tag, and then call my insurance company and let them know that it's going to be swapping vehicles and all that stuff. So, and then pick up the van a little bit later. So yeah. Okay, so papers are all signed and done. Got everything here. So I have to call my insurance company, let them know what's going on, go to the DMV so I can get the temporary tags, and then go pick it up, and it's like official. Okay, so I just got to one of my favorite coffee shops here, and I'm going to get a coffee and a breakfast sandwich as like a little celebration, and because I have to be running around this morning, so I don't have time to be at home and like make breakfast. Damn! I'm going to eat a few bites and then hit the road and head to the DMV, so. Alright, so I just parked at the DMV. I'm gonna go run inside and I guess just sit and wait and see what happens. Hopefully I don't have to wait too long. I just got out of the DMV, so now I'm basically just gotta head home and go pick up the van. I think it's finally starting to hit me now. I can feel myself getting emotional because, yeah. But I need to sit here for a second and have some more food because I'm so hungry right now. My stomach is growling and I need to eat a little bit more before I keep running around. Okay, so I am home now. I am getting a couple things out of my car. I'm just waiting for my sister to get here and then we're headed over. I can't believe this is happening. Should I park right here? Yeah, I guess. Here we go. Picking her up. Picking him up. Alright, so I'm here. I just gotta put the temporary tag on and then drive it home. god. Wow. Oh my god, there's also an aux cable. Holy shit. Oh my god. I did it. Alright, I need to go home. I can't just sit here and cry. This doesn't even feel real. So yeah, I'm in the van. I just went through the car wash to clean up the outside, and I'm at the store right now. I need to get windshield washer fluid and then gotta top off the gas tank, and I'm good to go. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So I made it home with the van, and I named him Obi-Wan Vannobi, keeping the Star Wars tradition alive. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back making vlogs. I've had so much going on lately behind the scenes. I feel like I'm always saying that, but it's really true. Like, I've had a lot going on, and getting the van also took a lot of different steps. So yeah, I am getting back into my groove, trying to be more consistent with weekly vlogs. But yes, I bought a van earlier in the week, and it's something I have been working on for quite a bit, trying to figure out some sort of car situation that will allow me to travel more and I guess live more nomadically if I'm able to. I've been wanting a new car for quite a few months now, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do, what would be the best option for me, and I was researching. I was planning on getting like a brand new car that, you know, I could car camp in, build out a little like bed frame with drawers in the back, things like that. And after doing quite a bit of research, going to some dealerships, looking at different cars, I realized that that would probably be a bit too much and out of my budget right now. So I was like, well, what else am I gonna do? You know, like, should I get a used car? Should I get something completely different? Like, I don't know. I spent so much time racking my brain trying to figure out what would be the best step for me and think about all of the options that are available to me. So I've always had van life in the back of my head ever since I did my car camping road trip in 2020 with my best friend. I absolutely fell in love with van life and car camping and traveling that way. I love road trips, and I always have since I was a kid. So it was always in the back of my head, and you know, there were days where I would start looking at vans for sale, things like that. And van life right now is one of those things that's tricky because it's become so incredibly popular. And because of that, like, vans are flying off the shelf. I was reading up at one point, and someone said that if you see a van that you want, that is like, it's got decent mileage, it's in good condition, and it's within your budget, and it's what you want, then if you see it, if you find it, you need to like put the down payment on it immediately. They are going like that. So, you know, I would see some online, but I was like, I don't know if that's the right thing to do, even though that would be like one of the coolest things ever and something I really want. Fast forward to a few weeks ago, I want to say the 2nd or 3rd week of January. Pause. I need chapstick. My lips are dry. AF. Also, don't mind my bed in the back. You can't really see it, but it's not made because I'm washing my sheets, so it's a disaster back there. Fast forward to about 3 to 4 weeks ago, maybe it was a month ago. One of my close friends texted me saying, hey, one of my friends who lives near you is actually selling his van. I totally forgot. And I was like, what? Like, I didn't even believe him at first. I was like, are you messing with me right now? Like, it sounded too good to be true. Like, to have a friend of a friend selling a van that's in good condition and was driven carefully and like is trustworthy. I was like, okay, what are the details? So he sent me some photos, told me the details, and I was like, okay, I am very much interested. I contacted his friend and set up a day for me to go look at it, and I did. Went, checked it out, did a little test drive in his neighborhood, and I was like, yeah, I was like, I want it. I wasn't sure if it was even gonna work out. I had no idea how any of it worked. Buying a car from someone that's used when they haven't even fully paid it off, and that whole process, it's very confusing, by the way. Having a bank take over a loan from another bank and all this stuff, there's so many variables. But he had to do the same thing with getting his new van when he upgraded, so he knew the whole process and he was very helpful about it as well. I then started the steps, went to the bank, went to see if I would get pre-approved, which I did, and I was honestly kind of shocked. I don't really know why, but I was shocked, and I was also really happy and excited, and it felt really good, like slowly but surely, step by step, things were falling into place, and I was like, oh my god, it seems like this is really gonna happen. Got pre-approved, set up an account with the new bank, and then they said that everything is all good to go. They contacted me and said that we just need to schedule a day where me and the kid who was selling the van would have to go in, sign all the paperwork, and it would be officially mine. So we did, and on Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. we went to the bank, signed all the papers, then I went to the DMV, got a temporary tag, all that stuff figured out. I was running around all day, and then I went and picked up the van. I'm really excited to like share this with everyone and you guys, and this is a huge, sorry. Getting a little emotional here, but this is like a huge accomplishment for me and a goal that like kind of wasn't even an official goal, but I ended up making it happen somehow still. But yeah, so I'm just really excited, and my plan is essentially to build out the back of it and live out of it. I plan on driving across the country, moving somewhere out west, and living in my van until I can afford my own apartment or house. I don't know where I want to move to or where I want to live, but I want to be able to, you know, nomadically live and explore different places and figure out where I want to relocate myself. So I'm very, very excited for this year and the things to come, and it's started off way better than I thought it would. I honestly don't know if it's fully like hit me yet. Like, I don't know if my brain has fully processed that I have a van and I'm like doing the thing. Yeah, so pretty soon I'm gonna start building it out and getting started with that, and I cannot wait. I've got my color schemes and everything picked out already. I know exactly where to start and the supplies that I need to get. It's gonna be amazing, and I cannot wait to document the whole process and share it with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so do you guys want to go see it? Let's go. Here we go. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoosh. This is Obi-Wan Kenobi, because yes, I am obsessed with Star Wars, as we all know. He's kind of a small little van, but still a good size. Oh, that's not unlocked. It would be helpful to unlock the car so I can show you guys the inside. So let's see here. This is the inside. I got some random stuff in here already. I've put my adventure blanket in here. So yeah. All right, let's hop inside. Also, it's starting to rain. Surprise, surprise. Oh, I'm such a child sometimes. Here we go. This is Obi. I honestly am in love. Like, all I wanna do is hang out in this van, and I've taken it on little errands like every single day since I've had it. Like, I love it so much. So let's get this started. Yeah. Dracula. Okay. Anyways, good song. So, let me tell you some specs about good old Obi here. So, he is a 2015 Ram ProMaster City. I want to say it's like 21 something or 20 something miles per gallon. So it's not as good on gas as my last car, which is a little sad with how expensive gas prices are, but it is what it is. Just, yeah. Speaking of my older car, there he is back there. There's Vader. I'm gonna miss him. He is a 2015 Ram ProMaster City with a little over 88,000 miles. So yeah, this is Obi, my van, my new baby. Hope you guys like. But yeah, I have to go back inside, finish working on this vlog, and figure out if I'm gonna be doing anything for the Super Bowl tonight. So see you guys in just a second. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and a little bit behind the scenes process of getting this new car. And yeah, this is a huge step for me in my life, in the direction that I want to go. I appreciate each and every one of you that took the time to watch this vlog and listen to me ramble on about this stuff. It means a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on all of my weekly videos. Yes, I need to make them weekly. Make sure to follow me as well on social media. My handles are at Cast the Nomad across all social media platforms. Once again, thank you guys for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next vlog.